Let's get to an issue that impacts thousands of you. We're talking about affordable child care. It is National Day Without Child Care, which means that families and early childhood educators across the nation will rally this morning to demand a better system.
In D.C., there's even more urgency as advocates fight to reinstate support in the budget. Jess Arnold joins us now live from Ideal Child Development Center in Northwest D.C. And Jess, centers like that one are shutting down today.
Yeah, they'll be closing their doors, this one and about 7 others, or pausing classes so that they can head to rally at the Wilson Building where the council works this morning in about 5 hours. Now, ahead of that, we'll be hopping on the bus with them in a little bit to give you a live look from there. But their goal, as you mentioned, it's to restore the Pay Equity Fund, which the mayor has eliminated from the fiscal year 2025 budget. What that is, it's during the past couple of years, DC has pumped about $80 million into this fund. It's to give childcare workers salary subsidies and access to health care to make sure these educators can afford to provide for their own families while taking care of yours. Now, those subsidies amount to about $5,000 to $14,000, so that can be a huge boost for the more than 4,000 early childhood educators who were a part of this initiative. Now, the group called Spaces in Action, as well as multiple council members, have been advocating to reinstate the fund in this next year's budget for the last month. Today, they're going to continue to lobby at the council's building with a rally that's taking place nationwide. 26 states, as well as D.C., are participating in National Day Without Child Care today. So more than 1,300 providers and parents plan to close their doors or call out of work. Over 3,700 people have signed a pledge in solidarity. And at 10:30 this morning, Spaces in Action, childcare providers, parents, their kids, and multiple council members are going to rally outside the Wilson Building. Now, besides speakers, they say they're going to transform Freedom Plaza into a kid zone with games, a live band, face painting, a bounce house, and so much more. So this advocacy is on a federal level as well as on a local level, of course, with the focus in D.C. on this very real change that could be coming with this budget with the Pay Equity Fund. As I mentioned, we're going to be hopping on the bus with this child care center when they board between 8:30 and 9 o'clock. They're going to head to the Wilson Building. We'll be on there with them and give you a live look, and then be there during that rally, which officially kicks off at 10:30. But we'll be talking to some people before that as well. And you'll get to hear from the owner of this daycare center coming up in about an hour and a half. Guys.
Can't wait to hear what they are saying. Jess,